Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Zev Gaming Bacon. This sought-after item is actually a special badge within the exciting Roblox game, Find the Bacons. It's a fun challenge that many players enjoy. To earn it, you'll need to explore certain areas of the game world and perform a specific action. Don't worry, it's quite achievable, as over 290,000 players have already added it to their collection. Your quest for the Zev Gaming Bacon begins by first finding the cloud area in the game. Once you've reached the clouds, your next objective is to locate a very distinct alien spaceship. It stands out, so keep a keen eye out for it. After you've found the spaceship, you'll need to venture inside and thoroughly explore its interior to uncover the crucial next step in your journey. Once you are inside the alien spaceship, the key to unlocking the badge lies in finding a specific code. This code is usually hidden, so look carefully for clues or interactive elements. After you've discovered the code, you must accurately enter it into the designated input area. A correct entry will immediately reward you with the Zev Gaming Bacon badge, adding it to your in-game collection. To make your search easier, consider watching a video guide if you get stuck. Many players share their routes. Always pay close attention to the environment for any subtle clues or hints that might point you in the right direction. Lastly, ensure you have a stable internet connection. This will help prevent any interruptions or glitches, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience as you hunt for the Zev Gaming Bacon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.